This video will cover how to create and use nutrient systems in SnapPlus version 3. I'm starting out on the Nutrients page and the Nutrient Systems tab. You can see in my example I already have one nutrient system saved to my plan called CS for corn silage. If you had any nutrient systems in your version 2 database that you converted to version 3, you should see those systems as options when you first open this tab. If you'd like to create a new nutrient system, start by clicking the New System button and giving your system a name. I'll call mine Wheat. Next, you add manure and fertilizer applications to your system using these two buttons. Before you start, make sure that you've added any sources that you need to use on the Manure tab and the Fertilizers tab. In my example, I'd like to start by adding a potash application that will go on in the fall to my winter wheat. I'll click New Fertilizer and select my source, my season, my application method, and enter a rate. Notice that I have some other options available in this table, including the area type where this application is going. This includes cropping acres, no manure acres, which would be manure prohibited acres, and no winter acres, which would be winter manure prohibited acres. In this case, cropping is a selection I'd like to take. For fertilizers, you also have the option to set timing in this table. I'll select at plant. Next, we'll add fertilizer applications. First, let's add an ammonium sulfate application in the spring. I'll click plus new fertilizer, select my source and my other details. Once you've created your nutrient system, you can apply it on the management page. First, select the crop where you'd like to apply the nutrient system. Then, open the Nutrient Applications tab and click Apply Nutrient System. This will bring up a pop-up that will show you the available nutrient systems on your farm. I'd like to use my wheat system, so I select that from the drop-down, and then I can review the details here. Once I'm satisfied that this system looks correct, I can click Apply System. This will add both applications to the selected crop, and I'll see them tallied in my nutrient accounting table.